It is the first time I've had sweet rocket in my garden. It enchants me with its delicate violet and white flowers. I like the scent too. Sweet rocket grows just over 100 centimeters. I propagated these plants from seed last year. They are probably going to seed themselves this summer. We'll see. I fell in love with aquilegias or columbines when I was a beginner gardener many years ago. They are my great favorites. Every spring they surprise me with different shapes and colors. They are either plain or bicolor, single or double. I let them self-seed and wait for the result the following year.